a business owner, I want to send this new special offers to all my existing customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. But now manually sending WhatsApp messages takes a lot of time. In that case, I got up an amazing WhatsApp broadcast solution that allowed me to send bulk WhatsApp messages in just one click to all these contacts at the same time. Sounds magical, right? I have set up this amazing WhatsApp broadcast using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. First is sign up for free. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, select this demo option, and if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now here, if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here on the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that in this tutorial we are going to learn how you can set up a WhatsApp broadcast for your business. But here, before moving towards the broadcast, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I have sent the broadcast message. So if you want, you can also create your own template inside Pabbly Chatflow, but if you want to send a regular message, then you can send that too. And to learn about that process, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Okay, so to begin with the process, first let me take you to the template section. Under templates, you can see total number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates, and here you can see my template that I have with the name special holiday offer. This is the message that I've drafted, and here my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. To learn how to create this template for your own business, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Okay, so once the template is ready, let's move towards the broadcast section, and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcasts, number of live, sentence, scheduled broadcast. To add a new one, click on this add button and it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Here we are going to select the type as broadcast campaign. For the name, I'm going to give the name as new holiday offer. Let's move forward. Then it is asking me to select the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned, that I'm going to send the message to all these contacts whose data I have in Google Sheet. That means firstly I need to add these contacts inside my Chatflow account. For that, we are going to access this contact section. Under contacts in the left side, you can have a preview of the existing list. To create a new one, click on this add button. If you want to add the single contact, add these details, and to add in bulk, select this option. Then here you need to upload a CSV file for the same. And as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first, and then you need to upload that CSV file over here. Click on this add contact button and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now once the contacts are created, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience option. So basically here you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. Firstly, you can exclude the contact list. You can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. And also you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Then comes the message type. You can see two types. One is pre-approved template message and the other one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, but to send a regular one, select this option. Select the message type from the drop down. If you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for it in the right right side. So now I'm going to use a pre-approved template message, and this is my template that I have created. It is asking for a file URL, so we are going to select the file that I already have. So this is my file, and we are going to insert this image, and we are going to click on this done. You can see the file has been uploaded, and this is the template. Now here it is asking us to test our broadcast. So before sending it to the wider audience, I can send it on my WhatsApp number to test this broadcast. For that, I'm going to add my username and my own number. Then we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see a new message has been received over here with the same template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past, then it is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Then click on this add broadcast button, and you can see we have successfully created a broadcast. So once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, where you have data of send, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting this resend option. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of sending bulk WhatsApp messages to your contacts in one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.